Hello, this is Chris with the Middleman LLC. Today we have the Smith Corona Pwp 57D personal word processor. What I wanted to do was showcase that it turns on. As you can see, it's on right now. You can see the LCD. Let me turn it off. So the LCD is working. I can see that the unit is working back and forth. Now I'm just going to press a few buttons and show you that that is working as well. So we'll go tab. Alright, enter. Alright, space. And we'll do some letters. Type mode. Alright, so that's going to really wrap up the test for today. If you have any questions, feel free to send them to us. Thank you for watching.